Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so we talked about it all week. The march to 3,300 continues, and it continues because the bears literally can't do anything about it. I mean, there's no sense in trying to spin any kind of nuance on it. Every time the bears get to a point where they need to convert a key area, they don't. And as long as that's the answer, every time the same question comes up, then it's going to be difficult for the bears to make any meaningful progress towards the downside. They had opportunities yesterday to seal off hourly midband as resistance. They did print a lower low versus yesterday's low, but they never got it past where they had it at 5 o'clock in the morning, and it turned yesterday into a fairly steady move to the upside, closing it near the highs. They keep making these 3 a.m. moves continue to be pretty significant. You've got 84 here. A couple nights ago, what did they do? Yeah, they ramped it. That one ran until 7 a.m. But the point I'm trying to make, and you had the break, 3 a.m. break overnight, Wednesday night. So they print a higher high. They take it back a little bit. You see the hourly midband, but this has been the general pattern. Bears had an opportunity yesterday to take out that 5 a.m. low, bleed it deeper, maybe try to get to the 9-day. They couldn't do it. And once it becomes apparent that they can't do it, they walk it back up, they continue it up, and they print a higher high. That's basically the story of this chart. You had this 3-day consolidation, 4-day consolidation last week that broke out on Monday, pulled back, made a higher low, and has now made a higher high. This screams 3,300 or beyond. And unless you get a piece of news that's going to make it do that, to make it not do that, rather, again, don't fight price. You can be short, understand that it's counter trend, take your profits, find a way into the trend, and you'll be fine. That's the key. That's the key component. Don't sit there and say to yourself, well, it's gone up enough. This is ridiculous. Is it? Is it? I mean, did you stay in a Holiday Inn Express or something? I mean, we don't know what's ridiculous and what's not. So you can be short, understand you can be short for a trade, but that when support is found, when you see the bears not able to convert things, you have to take your profits and find your way on the long side and trade that and stay with the trend. Don't fight price. People have been fighting this all the way up. That's why we're up here. Don't kid yourself. That's exactly why we're up here. People have been fighting this all the way. So off the open today, you got volume weighted average price 73.82, 5-minute midband 75 and change. Proprietary moving average basically at 77. Jobless claims came out a couple minutes ago. They're trying a little bit of a hard break against 75 down to 69. So it looks like we're going to get a full-throated test of the hourly midband here, and we open in an hour. So 67 to 77 is going to be the key block of price off the open that one side or the other is going to have to convert. Bulls want to make a higher high, go test 3,300. Bears want to convert 67 and try to get back at least into this area, into these high 40s that they were doing yesterday afternoon. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.